Hello everyone, welcome. This video is going to show you a program that is going to be used to calculate the interquartile range. Now, this video considers the 75th percentile, the 25th percentile, and how to calculate both of them. So now let's see. We have int n. If you want to know all these steps of programming, go to the channel Science Video Makers, and don't forget an N and S at the end of makers. So go to the channel Science Video Makers, like, subscribe for you to have more videos of this type. The int n, int I0, and all these floating type are variable declarations and initialization with value 0. Printf is a function given still in Science Video Maker videos on C programming. Printf is a function which prints out these things. You have entered a total variable and all that. Enter all this. You are going to print it all. Scanf is a function seen in C programming that is going to take the value from the screen. These loops are going to reorder, because in order for you to calculate the 25th and 75th percentile, you need to order back this series. If somebody enters 6, 7, then 20, then goes back to 1, you see that you need back to reorder the series in order for you to have the 75th percentile and 25th percentile. After entering this loop, which is going to reorder the series, this lower part is going to calculate now the median. After calculating median, we're going to calculate the range, as you have seen previously in the previous tutorial. And now, in this last portion from here, we are calculating a factor f that's going to be used to calculate the 25th percentile and the 75th percentile. Calculation of the 70th percentile is given here. Calculation of the 25th percentile is given here. Calculation of the 70th percentile is given here. In case where the division, that factor f is a multiple of 4, in case that the factor f multiple of 4, then you use this loop. Interquartile range is given. So let's see how the execution goes. So this is a program which calculates the interquartile range. So this is a program which calculates the interquartile range. So we are going to have, let's say we enter 5 values. We say that let's say the one of value is 0, other one is 2, other one is 3, other one is 1, other one is 4. The other one is 4. Now, other series, we have 0.0, we have 1.0, we have 2.0, 3.04. So it's ordering the series which has been disordered, which is disordered here. So now the median is seen to be 2 here. The range is seen to be 4 minus 0. We have a range. The value of the 25th percentile is, you see that is 1, because when you have this line, so they split, when you split this all through with 1/4, it gives you 1. And the value of 70th percentile is 3 in this case, because when you split this from 0 to 4 and it's splitted, you have 3/4. So you have 3 at this position. So, and you have, when you are splitting this, you have 1/4, and when it's an interval of 4, you have 1 at this position. So 25th percentile 1.0, 70th percentile 3.0. So you see that the value is exact. So interquartile range now is 70th percentile minus 25th percentile is going to be 2.0. So this is how to calculate the interquartile range using C program. Now let's take this question we initially had. So we have ages 12, 13, and all that. So we compile and run. Now the number of ages are going to be 8 ages. So we have 8. Now we are going to enter the first one 12, the next one 13, the next one 8, the next one 9, the next one 12, the next one 12, the next one 13, the next one, and 9. So you see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we see down that you have this. So the ordered series will be 8.0. So we see here the ordered series 8.0, 9.0, 9.0, and all that. The median will be the middle between all this, and it is 12.0. The range is 5.0. So when you do 13.0 minus 8.0, it gives 5.0. The value of the 25th interquartile will be this. The value of the 75th interquartile will be far in between here, and the 75th percentile will be the subtraction between the interquartile range will be 75th percentile minus 25th percentile equals to 7.3.75. So this is a code which is used to find for the program which is going to calculate the interquartile range. So in order for you to know how to get this code, you need to subscribe to the channel Science Makers, and like and go and visualize all the videos on C programming for you to have the basic on C, and for you to how to become a professional within 1 day, 1 week, or even 1 month, depending on how anxious you are to learn C programming. From here, we say thanks for your kind attention, and so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.